today we are going to try to replicate this green man onto this piece of wood. If we can. I hope so. So, I've got it traced already. I use this to trace it. And you probably won't be able to see the lines. I can't see them too well myself. But we're going to try. So we have finished our first step, which is painting our board black. And now we can move on to the next step. Okay, so our second coat was to go around the edges with this light green here. And we just kind of brushed it on here and there. And now we move on to the actual green man, it looks like. Okay, my tracing after the black dried seemed to have disappeared, so I'm doing this freehand now. But on the camera here it looks like a face. It won't be exactly the one that was in the picture, but I've got the if you want to see up close, I've got the rough outline with the green as I followed the leaves. And got the nose and the mouth. I think that turned out pretty good. Now I have to do the more of the small detail on the leaves and bring out the eyes a little bit. On camera here they look pretty good, but in person I think I got to make more of an eye. So that's what I have so far. Okay, here's the green man we wanted to make on our piece of wood. And here's the green man that we did make on our piece of wood. It's not too bad. It doesn't look exactly like that. I could add a little more detail, but it's not too bad. I think it's a green man. I think you can tell it's a green man. I did decide to put a few more details in there, just a few. I put some of those squirrely lines and lightened up the highlighted areas a little bit more. I like it. I almost forgot to say I put a coat of polyurethane on it. That's important because he's going outside, I believe. Okay, so on the back of our green man, I have glued this styrofoam piece. I also polyurethane the back. It's good to have it sealed all over. And I glued this piece of jute cord so I can hang this thing. And then we'll see what comes next. So, as always, if you like this, please let me know. Please hit like. And of course, please subscribe for more. If you haven't already, I need, let's see, at last count, about 1,040 more subscribers. That's a lot, so everybody counts, even you. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the green man.